Okay, today's February 20th, 2026. This is the Gemstones 2 litter. A little update. There's Miss Onyx. Hi. I'm gonna have to cheat and look at their card to remember the names. We have a couple over here hiding in the cat tower. As you can see, they have upgraded to the big nursery. So the blue, this is a blue tortie girl. Let me see your collar. This is the purple collar. That's opalite. It's all right. I had to. And then this is the brown collar. Tourmaline. Brown collar. This is a little boy. This is a little girl. There's Mama Gellhorn. Oh, I have somebody under my feet here. Let's see who we got here. This one, pink collar. I should have known. This is Sodalite. Sodalite is always the first one to come up, eager to greet you. Super cute. Little boy. He is a standard paw. He's not a polydactyl. Some of the kittens in this litter are polydactyl. They're so cute. There's Mama Gellhorn. Hi, Mama. My cheat sheet. Okay. There's Onyx. A pretty girl. Then that is Ruby. That is a female polydactyl, red silver tabby. This one this is Peridot, little male cream smoke. He does have a little bit of eye boogers going on. We're treating him for that. And then up here in the sink, hiding out. Hi there. Hi there. This is Tanzanite hiding out. Tanzanite is really small. And the siblings have been kind of knocking him off the food bowl, so I've been feeding him by himself. So he got some freeze-dried chicken hearts as a treat. So there's Tanzanite. I just have him by himself right now, getting to eat a little extra. I'll put him down actually. Siblings. Kind of see everybody in the big nursery. Sorry, they're just too stinking cute. They're just too cute. Just too cute. They're Sodalite. Okay. There's the Gemstones litter.